And welcome back to Moit Studios, and once again you're back with a new video which is called the tour of the Chrome Web Store. And the Chrome Web Store happens to be homes of thousands of extensions which will be added to your browser. Extensions are generally like apps, but they are limited mostly to the browser, and that is why their data amount is so light. So getting to Web Store will not be that difficult. All you need to do is open the new Chrome browser and then a new Chrome tab, and in this tab you'll have to click this called web store. So you redirect it to web store immediately. So in the web store you got, this is how your home page looks like. So you got two types of apps, extensions and themes. So what do we do? So you got thousands of extensions everywhere, do we tell, and it might be so spoiled for choices. What do you say? I say it might be really hard to make a choice to install the right extension for your Chrome browser. Hmm. What do I say about that? What do I do? What do I do? So, if you feel like you want to install an extension, you have to click on it, and before you install it for the Chrome browser, you have to study everything: the version, updates, size, language, developer, and the overview, as well as where it came from and what are its features. Say I took this app called Screencastify, and I found that it does work with Google Drive and it runs offline. So how you need to do now is you have to click add to Chrome if in case you feel like you're ready to install the extension. So the checking will come and a new tab will come. It says add this extension. It will also tell what the extension will do once it is installed. That is, it can display notifications and capture content of your screen. Add extension. If you feel like you're now ready to install after agreeing to all the terms. The file will be downloaded in this manner, and note how the size is so small as compared to an application. That is because they are meant only for browser usage. So you need to wait for some time before the extension is finally installed. If in case it doesn't install, you'll have to wait for a while. In some devices it might take time to install. Finally it has come. And in case if the extension comes, it will be coming in a puzzle piece like icon. To access your extension, you long click on the icon, and there are two options. You can pin it, or you can see more options from these three dots. Options, remove from Chrome, unpin, and manage extensions. The options button will show how the application should interact with the browser. It may vary with extension to extension, but in all, this is how it does. If you choose the option called Manage Extensions, you're redirected to this page where the extensions details will be given, and you have even options for allowing incognito and file URLs, extension options, view group, and so on. The next thing is unpin, which you all know, is that you can pin it to the screen or remove it from view. And unpin will just do that. That is, it removes the extension from view and hides it in the puzzle icon. Another option is called remove from Chrome. If you click that, this confirmation message will come and you have to click remove. For some extensions, after they're uninstalled, a new tab will open asking people to give the reasons why they decided to uninstall the extension. Sometimes they can be in the form of Google Forms. Sometimes in the case of a website, some will have it in a different site, which may not look like a website, but like a HTML site, and so on. So now we are going to see themes. Themes will give a kind of a feel and a look to your browser. They look interesting, don't they? How beautiful they are. Notice how elegant, stylish, and creative are they. If you feel like you want to add some spice to your browser, you can go ahead. Click a theme you like and click add to Chrome, just like how you do for add an extension. It will directly download and immediately the view can also change. Ta-da! And once the theme is successfully installed, they'll give an option to undo as well. Look, if you undo it, it will return back to its normal Google Chrome web browser interface, and the theme will be automatically uninstalled. As usual, so accessing like how you should access every Google service, you need a Google account if you need to access Chrome Web Store. So what do I generally feel is, I would rather have to check. There are actually many types of Chrome extensions. Productives, editor specs, work from home, online education, entertainment, gameplay, updated extensions, personalizing, accessibility, chatting, toolkits, and a lot more. Well, Chrome is not the only browser where it will offer its extensions as well. There are many browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Firefox which do provide their extensions, but the interface of the extension store will be completely different from what is there in Chrome. However, for this video, I decided to take the example of Chrome to show you how a typical web store filled with extensions will look like. So, there's nothing much I can tell beyond this because every extension will have the same procedure of installing. And another thing, after we install the extension, let's say now I've decided to install another extension like Grammarly for Chrome. So I have to click like this. This confirmation window will come and I have to click add extension. It will be downloaded in some random name like this. And when the downloading is done, we'll have to wait a few seconds or a few minutes depending upon the speed of your processor in the computer for the extension to install. And once it is successfully installed, what I meant to say is, when you install an extension, some extensions may require you to give your account. Some extensions like Grammarly, Screencastify, these and all require your account to access their services. Okay, something is wrong. Ah, now it is opened. The sign-in would usually be either done in the extension tab itself, or a new tab will be opened to complete the sign-in process. So I would rather sign in like this. And you have to click agree and sign up. Hmm, what's happening? Most of my writing is for. You can choose any option. You can as well as go. And after you do that sign in, you might as well as kind of get a very own home page, which may sound kind of great for those who really like those apps. But in the case it takes time, you have to kind of wait patiently. So you'll have to hang tight. Got it? Hang tight. I'll get it. So now we got into the home page of one such extension that I've mentioned earlier, and this is how it looks like. This is the interface of the extension. It's new tab. However, some other extensions that are available in the web store need not require signing in. Let's say for example speed test or something like Nimbus, the screen capturer, and a lot more. However, I suggest you all viewers only one thing. Do make use of only verified extensions that you trust in one form or the other. That is all I've got to say about being safe on the internet. That is to ensure that you are not using any harmful extensions which otherwise will take advantage of your system and will do no good to it. That's all I've got to say about the tour of Chrome Web Store. Thank you everyone for watching to my video patiently, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye all.